Okay, guys, I'm back. The girl left. I was trying to show her, okay, so you know how I said my Animal Jam account got hacked? I lied. It was somehow my Animal Jam, the app, not this, but the app, itself. You can totally see there's already an issue. It's lagging and loading. What is this? The heck? Whoa, we got the loading sign. We got a spinning wheel of death. I'm already rating the game not so good after what I've seen, like the specs and spinning wheel of death. I mean, like, spinning wheel of death is totally what we want. Now, what? Y'all saw that, right? This is a big issue. This is a big no-no. What the heck? My character won't even, what is happening? I honestly don't know what's happening here on Animal Jam. The spinning wheel of death! So already we have bad reviews. So I'm just going, I tried playing Animal Jam again. I had to hide my card information, so I stopped the video. I got my membership. So this is part 2, and we're already having issues. I paid a membership, $6 for Animal Jam. This should be the best of my life. It's not even letting me log in. I paid the best. So this is the Animal Jam app. That's the app. Okay. Oh, look! Finally! We're getting somewhere. Cool. Thank you. For the love of God, we're getting somewhere. 9 days left. I never wanted it. Ooh. So they never changed none of the animals. These are all the same animals as originally. Oh my god, the Arctic Fox is back! Sorry. Blossom. Kawaii. Blossom Peachy. Blossom pretty. Blossom pink. Blossom pink owl. Blossom pink peach. Yes. Whoa! Me totally not rich on. Me totally not rich on. So, dude, what? I had a spike car on here. Where did it go? I swear I got hacked on here because I don't remember ever getting this feather mask and having all this gold done. I swear I got hacked on here. Just I don't know. I don't even remember. Oh, I do remember. Some of the stuff I don't remember having, like that. When did I ever get that? What's on my trading list? My eyeball? Oh, my braid, which no one ever wanted. What's the shop looking? What we got in the shop? But I got the original stuff. Pets. All of my pets. I don't know why I can't have these. Oh, so what? Owls? You can only have flying pets. I see. That's what it gotta be. If I take a toll of my pets real fast, these are what I have. And always open and available for new pets. I don't know what this is. Is this a home music? I like this. I don't even know if I have it. We'll make it white and pink. White and brown. White and white. Ooh, I like that color. Okay. Choose the wing type. I like this. Cute. Dizzy Banner. Dizzy. I now have Dizzy Bee. Welcome Dizzy Bee to the home. I do have oh, I already have it. Oops. Well, I guess I double brought it. Damn. I should have checked before I brought it. Do I not just have? I thought I had it. No, it's up here. Oh no, it's right here. Here. It's a level 1. Doesn't even have an. It doesn't even have a pet. It can be anything. Look at this one. This one was my cool pet. We'll go to my house, and we'll go to one of my best houses because what time is it? I own a lot of houses too. How much would I need? I guess we'll go to my treehouse. Now, I thought... Damn, I gotta be that loud. Here's my pet, like, current pets. I just have pets sitting there. And pets up here! And the TV does actually work. And here are my, what did I want? An elephant plushie. Like, I got a game machine. I sent this candle. I like this. This is my bedroom up here. iPad does work right away. iPad has legit work from the middle. Here are the home decorations. But when it comes to Halloween time, I usually decorate. Shop, so you can buy. I want one down here, like right here. I'm gonna buy my shop. So, my shops. Here's what I have. I put up and down my shop. Things I don't want, I put up my shop. So you can literally come here and like I could say, I don't want this, which I really don't, and you can put it for, price, and price. I only do duplicate, get duplicate things in the shop, like things I don't like. So if I have a duplicate of it, then I'll get rid of it. Like, I don't like these, so I'll do it for money though, because no one's obviously gonna have that. Set my price. You can do animals as well. So let's say I don't want, let's just say for instance, I don't want this animal. I would set my price and put it up for sale. That's how it works. I have other game machines in here, as you can see. A lot of artwork and a lot of stuff. It took work of time to like actually. But another thing I don't like is look at this. Look at this graphic. And a lot of people still playing with Jam. Jam. Oh my god, I said Jam. I said Jam. I didn't really say Jam. I meant to say Jam. I don't know why. Wow, you can actually just see me back on my phone. That's how bad it is. Damn, okay. I'm gonna call someone. We're gonna make a... What is this? That's cute! When did I get... Hold on. When did I get that? I don't ever remembering getting that. I don't remember getting that. Oh, that looks cute. I don't remember getting that. That's the thing. No, oh, hold on. What is this? Should I do these or these? These both look ugly. These both look ugly. There's no one to feed things. Oh no, I got these big fat things. Man, when did I get that? Again, haven't played this game forever. So total has some money. I could do the... What are these? Ew. I don't remember getting them. It gets a lot of free gifts. Well, I guess this is what we're gonna be for today. We're gonna be this lazy. No, there's not even a music. Be this. Do we like that? Or do we like this? I don't like none of that. No other. Can do. That's why color is so ugly. Where's the other? Oh, you got this is stun colors. Stun colors are okay. There wasn't a respect. Oh, it's right here. It's so ugly. I guess we'll go with the stun color. We'll go see what's in here. The graphics are very bad. They haven't changed the animals. It's been years since I played this game, and they haven't changed the animals. Seriously. But they changed the inside shop. What is that? Some type of jacket. Ew. I don't know. There's a lot of... Some of the stuff's the same. I mean, this is different. This dress is different, but for a wolf? Seriously? You can buy whole outfits over here, but these are all the same. Nothing ever changed. Like, bro. Nothing ever changed. So I'm just gonna go, what's in here? Got a rainbow cloud. I mean, some things. You can buy a surf shop. Huh? Oh, sorry. You can buy a surf shop. Oh, this is like a wedding. Ooh, cakes. Yeah. Yes. I already know Jake. Wait, whoa. It's not a call. It's fine. put it like right here. I didn't know. I wonder what you can buy it. No, you can't buy anything. Well, I have other houses. But that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's basically almost time to end. The summer carnival is leaving. Is that Jake from? Was that Jake from school? So, here's my best place I used to go to. This movie shop. The best place. Try not to get me. It's basically a game. And you win. A lot of people came here to hang out. Just like how a lot of people went to over here, was it? No. Over here. The canyons, as you can see. Look at this. Look at all these spike cars and headdresses. This guy named like RJ, I think was his name or whatever. What is this? A coconut drink. Can you actually get coconut? I totally didn't. Weird stuff. I really don't know. Well, let's go back to and we can go and put no, that there is another place I want to show where people hang out at. But first let's go put over here. You can't get a drink! Damn! That's that. Well, one other place people like to go to was down over here. This place right here. Look at all these people. People straight like this. I think she'll give me this bracelet. I don't know. You gotta like temptingly put stuff up there. It was rare to get that. It was hard to get that. Things that people. I don't think this girl would ever give up her spec. See, and that's the thing. People think you want something that people that's popular. Yo, like some people don't even put. Like nothing in here. You just want to go like over here. Just go. Maybe find not need of gems. Tree. I don't know. That will hang. Look at all these rare spike calls. Is she gonna give any of them up? Basically, my opinion. It's like worth a try. It's worth a try. I know you're gonna say that's all of your kind your train. Our next sale deal. Selling all of it. She's selling. Is that a spike collar? Does it fit me? Is it gonna fit me? It looks good! Oh my god, no way, bro. I just bought this from him. Cause like, why not? I got money anyway. I'm not too worried. Yo, I gotta forgot. It's my god. This is from the Forgotten, like, literally Forgotten, this is from the Forgotten, oh my god, what was I saying? Forgotten, we'll put this on train. The Forgotten Spike Collar was like one of the rarest. It doesn't say rare, but it's from the Forgotten, like, you have to be a bird to do the Forgotten thing. But I was lucky enough to actually get a spike collar. I don't care if I spend that money. Ooh. Oh my god. Yo, you got a pink one. You gotta do double the amount if you're gonna wanna get this. I don't want that. It's gonna be a no. Can't trade right now. Are you forgetting the trading process and where'd you go? I just put something random. I guess they're gone. 27. Game has been out that long. The thing I hate the most is when people get in the way. Shop. Did I already go to this person who's dead? Oh no, look, they got something different. Yo, you're then sucks for the shop. I'm sorry. I feel really rejected. Shop, you're then. Cute clothes. Oh, diamonds though? Yeah, but some people don't. Some people don't have any I used to have these, so here's what happened. Here's the story I want to talk about. I used to have this, glasses, and they were cool enough. I gave them away. That was my bad, you know, my bad. I gave them away. Because they're so rare to get, so, in order to get this, you need to, like, trade them. No one is ever gonna trade them up, but it's like worth a try, I guess. This girl, like, she ain't gonna give it up anyways, but it's worth it. That's all of it. Dude, if she says that. Nope. No. Cheap stuff. Small shop. I don't know. Rare. Medusa. Wait, is that a raid? I like that. It was a good spending money. Bro, why do people make all this stuff diamond? I don't honestly. Oh, I'm wearing it right now. I guess when you buy it. Please trade. Is this the person? I really don't know what they're accepting for it, but we'll just go. And I like white flower crowns. And you spike color and white. Can't trade right now. What? No one's trading with you. You're really got no one trading with you. Giving them some ugly stuff. Where's my... Dude, if they say they can't trade right now... My flag. What? My shot, my grandmaster. I like seeing people shot. What? Expensive. Curse. Ooh, 5. Why, you may ask? Those are rare to get. Those are rare to get. Is it on me? Oh, it's on me. Okay. Should I wear the red one or the green? They're rare to get, so I would understand why. I can't. Green one. They're rare to get. Is that his only shot? Must be. Should I do a shot my den? I think I should do it. I really have the most bad stuff. Like, seriously, who's gonna buy that? I tried to put some non-memory. I guess we can. Do you think anyone would buy my... Oh, I was already gonna make it. Okay, let's do... I don't know. we get off, we're just going. Oh wait. Hold on. Got someone on my turn. Hold up. Oh, 180? Bro, what the heck? I just made purchases. Damn. Oh god, 3 diamonds? You buying out my whole shop? Wait. Ooh, wow. Someone's actually got anime. I really want this spike collar. Let's go back and you shop my diamonds. We got one person. No one's coming. This is sad. No, if no one comes, I'm just gonna go. I mean, I got some money. Oh, I got someone. I made some profit. You might have to respawn it. So we're just gonna go in here and see what we can get from here. Oh, you can't buy nothing. I thought you could. Well, let's see how sales went. We still have these. Right up. Is my spike collar gone? Oh no. No, it's gone. Oh, what? I thought I put it up there. Did I not put it up there? I guess I did, and someone actually brought it. That bad. Ugliest thing on earth. You would buy. Someone buy it. I'm just gonna put this. The those things look ugly. I wouldn't even buy it. I don't even know. Guess I lost like oh, they left. Oh no, the spike collar is still there. I guess we're good on this. I don't leave, but that was seriously weird. If you guys want to see the actual app, I think this is the app. Right here. This is the app. This is the Animal Jam app. It's loading. It's gonna take forever. So I guess we won't do the app because of how long it takes. But I just want to show you the app. That's the app. That's the app. That's the app, and that's the actual Animal Jam Play Wild. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Bye bye.